Boobies are in place. Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I am going to be visiting a formal event that is throwing my former colleagues that I had a pleasure to work with. So we're going to be having a lot of fun. Hopefully it's going to be like the official part of this evening where it's going to be like a lot of speeches, a lot of like gratitude and whatever. The rest of the evening is going to be devoted to some buffet talking, gathering, you know, like building connections, let's say. So this is the look that I was hoping to wear, but it turned out to be really hot. Like this ostrich jacket is really hot, so it's better to wear this one not in the building, so it's a little bit like extra in my opinion, because I won't able take it off just because I'm a little bit afraid to take it off, and I don't really want to walk with a bag, with this jacket bag, because it's really hot and it's really cold to wear this outdoors for now. So if you're interested, I'm gonna share a little bit different routine, a little bit different look that I'm gonna be wearing today, and then I'm gonna see you in a bit where I'm gonna discuss this beautiful makeup look and then share a few photos from this event. Let's get started. Well, I did off camera my foundation. This foundation is pretty much the same as I do every single time. That's why I don't really see any point in showing this for you guys right now with like a get ready with me. So today we're going to be focusing on my makeup and mainly my eyelids. I will be doing a little bit of primer from NYX. And I guess I'm going to do this with a voiceover. It's much better because I have like only an hour and a half before I have to leave, and I'm not sure what I'm wearing except for this ostrich jacket. So yeah. With all this primer on my lids, I'm going to set this with BH eyeshadow palette and very beautiful beige sort of white eyeshadows. And then I'm going to go to the eye pencil, the black one, and I'm placing this on top because it's going to hold a little bit better with some eyeshadows on top. It's like a powdery product with waxy product. It's not going to crease really fast. With like a little small crease brush, I'm diffusing the shade, blending out, and I'm using this L'Oreal Beautiful eyeshadows with shimmers on top of my black pencil. And then we need to diffuse it gradually as I described in my tutorial for dark eyeshadows, where you place some really soft colors higher and higher to the crease, but make sure that you're using the edge of the previous color as a platform for the next color. Then I'm going to go to the crease with really soft color and put the same colors on top of each other one more time. So we're going to drag this out to the outer corner and create this really cute V shape. And as the final step, I do a lot of stamping, not too much blending, and I'm using, like, you see that I use small brushes, nothing crazy, nothing huge. I use the same colors twice, so I placed on top of the previous ones, the ones that I used for the first time. And I guess you can see that crease can handle only nude colors, that's why I'm going to some nude shades. And then at the end, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmers to the brow bone where we need a little bit of definition. This is going to be soft and a subtle makeup look because we used a little bit of black and a lot of browns and shimmers at the same time. So on the lower lid, I'm using the same colors, a little bit of black pencil, the one I'm placing really close to the waterline, I guess on top of waterline, and then of course I'm going to diffuse it a little bit, grab the same black pencil and top it really close to the lashes. And then with this beautiful purplish shade, I'm going to stamp it really close to the black one, and of course diffuse with nude colors the rest. I'm gonna do a little bit more blending motions in the outer corner with big and fluffy brush and coat my lashes with mascara, and I'm gonna do 2 coats because we're not wearing any lashes. I have less than 15 minutes to complete this look. I'm gonna use this lip cream, Long Lasting from Line Cosmetics, whatever. I guess I'm gonna leave it matte because I have a lot of shimmers on top. And then I have a lip liner to outline my lips. I'm gonna take a shower real quick without touching my hair, and then I'll be back to styling. I'm gonna show you 2 options to wear this. Boobies are in place. I have this turtleneck. This is plain and it's given 90s. I'm gonna show you like really plain option number 1. So this jacket goes on top. Then I'm gonna add some boots. These are my favorite boots, especially if you have plain black outfit. This is the outfit number 1, and I'm gonna grab a red bag. This one is big, so it's just gonna show a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I am obsessed with this outfit. I do believe this is probably like one of my favorite, and it has everything. It has a little bit of print, it has a little bit of red. If you don't like it, You can substitute this with a little bit of clutch. This is the clutch that I'm going to be wearing today because I don't really want to bring anything heavy. Probably this gold bag is not going to work with these boots because they're like white and black. But this is going to be the outfit. I really love it. I literally love it. I will be wearing an ostrich jacket that I promised you a long time ago. Look at this beauty. I am obsessed with this. And what a better occasion than just something formal, sort of formal. So we have this jacket on, we have really nice leather jeans, and we have a turtleneck, so it's kind of balancing everything. I'm gonna use my Calvin Klein. This is really old fragrance, so it's not gonna cost you a fortune. And of course, I'm not gonna wear this weird ponytail. So I have really cute earrings, silver earrings. I have really nice clutch. This one is like navy blue, I'd say. It's really old, but I love it. Guys, and that is the look. So let me show you the complete option. And that is the final result. Honestly, it's a little bit hot in this jacket. That is the main reason why. I'm thinking of using the jacket, just black jacket on top, because I feel like I'm gonna be really hot. Though I really love how it looks. It's so freaking pretty. Like, look at those feathers. And I can actually play with these boots and with red. I guess, I don't know, I really want to wear this jacket, but I guess it's gonna be really hot out there. Yeah, I'm gravitating to the red bag and like some jacket, black jacket on top. But this is gonna be the prettiest outfit if you want to play with something like that. So I have to wear a coat, I have to wear a lot of stuff, and I really don't want to ruin these feathers. So this is the final result, guys. If you want to see me like there, I will be probably doing some photos and sharing this in this video. So let me know in the comments which option is your favorite. Would you leave it with the ostrich jacket or go to the original jacket that I showed you, like the black one? I have no idea which one is better, I'd say. And okay guys, that is the final result. What do you think? This is a get ready with me. I will be probably going to the first option, and this one I will be saving for a little bit later when it's a little bit warmer and I can wear this as a staple piece. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. It's gonna be uploaded really soon, guys. Bye bye.